Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. Don't forget to leave a like and comment and subscribe. So today we're doing about cleaning up the dishes. So this knife is really dangerous. You can stab a heart, fingers, or of your body. So be careful to use a knife. Kids, don't do it at home. If you're doing dishes, don't do it at home if you ask parents to help you. This knife is really sharp. You can cut yourself. So don't do this. I was a kid and I used a knife and I dropped something and I cut myself, but it's really dangerous. So that's why if you don't use a knife, do put away as a dishwasher from unloaded to this place. Okay, here we go. We got forks. Okay, so this one is done. I have to do on top of a shelf. I guess it's just a little bit wet, but it's fine. We have to do it as a cup. I'm gonna do rotations. Okay. Oh, we have a cup here, cup here. We got this cup. And we got this cup. And no cups. Okay. Okay, let's put it away. Oh, one more. I was laughing myself. Okay, here we go. Almost there, buddy. Here we go, we got two, and the last one. And here we go. And I have to say, oh. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you for the next videos. And bye guys.